Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm checking out something that's perfect for anyone who needs reliable security in places with no Wi-Fi or electrical power. This is the HUEVUE 4G LTE cellular security camera, a fully wireless outdoor camera that runs on solar power and connects over 4G LTE. Let's unbox it, set it up, and see how it performs in real-world use. So right out of the box, you get the camera itself, a 5-watt solar panel, a mounting bracket, and the hardware you need to get started. Setup is super simple. Just insert the included cloud SIM card, mount the solar panel where it gets good sunlight, and then connect it through the Camvigil app on your phone. One of the biggest selling points here is that the camera works without Wi-Fi. It runs on 4G LTE networks. That means Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T all work great. So if you have a farm, ranch, construction site, remote cabin, or even a vacation home in the middle of nowhere, you can still keep an eye on everything. The HUEVUE camera is built tough with the IP66 weather-resistant design. Rain, wind, dust, this thing can handle it. And it's powered by a 9,000 milliamp per hour rechargeable battery, plus the 5-watt solar panel, so you never have to worry about running out of power. Just 3 hours of sunlight can keep you going for an entire day. That's perfect for off-grid living or long-term outdoor installs. So the solar panel is USB Type-C, and it connects easily into the weatherproof connector. It comes with 2 brackets. One bracket that already has the attached rope, so you could just wrap it around a tree or anywhere you like. Also comes with the screws, so you can mount it, or you can mount it to any ceiling, and it simply slides right in. Everything is sealed by weatherproof gaskets. The antennas are also adjustable. On the bracket, it's marked up. To mount the solar panel, simply screw in the mounting bracket. It's also fully adjustable, so it really helps out capturing the sun. And when you're ready, just tighten it up. When you first connect, HUEVUE includes a 30-day trial with 100 megabytes of free data, totally free. Once the trial ends, you can easily renew right inside the Camvigil app with affordable data plans. You can even choose unlimited data for $99 for 6 months or $159 for the year, so there's no stress about going over the limits. Let's talk about the image quality, because it's seriously impressive. This camera captures crisp 2K videos with an advanced image sensor and 4 built-in spotlights for color night vision. Even in total darkness, you can clearly see details like faces, vehicles, or movement around your property. And the best part, you can view it live from your phone, anytime, anywhere. The camera also offers 355-degree coverage, pan, and 90-degree tilt coverage. That's amazing. The HUEVUE camera also has AI motion detection built in. It can recognize humans, pets, vehicles, and packages, and even detect unusual dangerous activity like climbing, fires, or vandalism. When that happens, you'll instantly get an alert on your phone so you can respond right away. There's also two-way audio, so you can hear what's going on and talk back through the app, whether you're warning off a stranger or just saying hi to the delivery driver.
Okay guys, time for dinner, come eat.
For me, this is ideal for places like my garage, a construction project, or a cabin that doesn't have Wi-Fi. I can mount it, hook it up to solar panel, and just let it run. No cords, no maintenance, no worries. I could check it in from anywhere, see what's happening live, and even play back recorded clips. So to sum it up, the HUEVUE 4G LTE cellular security camera gives you reliable monitoring, especially where there's no Wi-Fi or power. It gives you a solar panel and a long-lasting battery, 2K HD video with color night vision, smart AI alerts and two-way audio, and a simple app that keeps everything connected. If you've been looking for a set it and forget it outdoor camera that works anywhere, this one is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.